Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, regular polygon. Okay, a regular polygon, each interior angle will have the same measurement and also the sides should be the same length. But the key thing here is about the sum of the interior angles is 2,340 degrees. How do we get the sum of the interior angles of a polygon? The important thing here is that we know how to arrive at the formula. Key thing is actually about triangles. Okay? So
Okay.
here, pag sinabi natin a triangle, for the interior angle of a triangle, what's the sum of the measure?
180 degrees.
180 degrees. Dito, isang triangle at 180 degrees siya. Tatlong sides. Eh pag nagkaroon na tayo next na is four-sided, how many triangles can we form from the quadrilateral?
2?
Two triangles. So, dalawang 180 degrees because you have two triangles. Paano pagka pentagon? So, sa five-sided, how many triangles ang pwede natin siyang mahati?
3?
1, 2, 3. So each triangle again is 180 degrees. Tatlong triangles, that's why it's 3 times 180
180.
degrees. Therefore, in general, what you notice with the pattern, so pag triangle, isang 180. Pag four-sided, dalawang 180. Pag five-sided, tatlong 180. So how do you compare the number of triangles with the number of sides? Konti ng dalawa. That's why if you have n number of sides, you will now have n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So, since the sum is 2,340, n minus 2 times 180 equal to 2,340 degrees. We can solve this easily by dividing it by 180. 2,340 divided by 180. So 180 here. Then it will now become 554. Bring down the 0. 540 divided by 180 is
3.
simply 3. Therefore, n minus 2 is equals to 13. And therefore, n will be equal to 15. So that means the answer here is your letter D, 15. Gets mo na ba?
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung